AI is going to change everything. AI is transforming our world. Our life will surely become better because of AI. Welcome to Sandor and Helen's AI sharing blog. Today, I'm going to share with you how I used an AI tool from China called Minimax to bring to life one of my greatest passions, art. And all I did was chat with it. Yes, just by chatting. I've always had this idea to create a virtual gallery where I could showcase my favorite painters and artworks, my very own personalized art museum. I'm also a travel and food enthusiast, and I wanted to share famous global landmarks, beautiful places across China, and delicious local dishes with friends around the world. I believe people with similar interests can gather in a virtual space to share physical world passions, appreciating a song, a painting, a dish, or a travel destination in various languages. And I also give on the leaving comments and connecting through beauty. Zoom in, zoom out, spread beauty, share dreams. Alright. Let's start with my beloved virtual art gallery. Come along with me to explore great masterpieces. Let's experience art in an immersive virtual gallery. Like never before, discover works by famous artists, listen to voice-guided tours, and interact with a community of fellow art lovers. Before I start to introduce my AI project, let me show my newest AI testing with my favorites. Build new gallery with AI magic. Okay, let's listen to an AI-generated narration for Gauguin's Where Do We Come From? What Are We? Where Are We Going? You can even add your own interpretation and create your own voiceover. Here, you can see I attach a audio guide for Gauguin's painting. Before AI comes into our work, we need to do much work on the audio. But today, we could ask AI to generate audio with our assets. A painting description we already have here. This is the homepage, featuring my favorite artists and artworks. There are introductions to each painter, their representative works, and the pieces I love. Of course, you could see these in physical museum. But today, I want to show you something different, thanks to AI. Look at this painting, Running Horse by Xu Beihong. I've always loved this powerful horse. Now, watch it come to life. This is AI magic, turning a static image on paper into a moving, running reality. Here's an introduction to Turner's Snowstorm, Hannibal and his army crossing the Alps. We also offer multilingual support. For example, here's a Chinese description of Van Gogh's sunflowers. Currently, the virtual museum supports Chinese, English, Spanish, and French. If you need another language, just let me know, because language is where sharing begins. If you like to build your own virtual collection, it's easy. Remix my website. Just log into Minimax, select my site, and customize your own virtual museum through conversation, like chatting with a friend. I've also built several back-end features to help you manage your museum. Artist management, artwork management, user and comment modules, and most importantly, AI-generated voiceovers for any artist or artwork. Just input why you love a piece, add your image, and generate a voiceover. With one click. You can even bring still art to life in the Live Art Lab, write your story, describe the work, and let AI help you create a video. Building a virtual museum with AI is simple, really. Very simple. But to share your passion with others, it takes care and creativity. So open your computer, start with a story, and begin building your online virtual museum. If you're unsure how, just talk to the screen like an old friend, tell AI what you want, and it will guide you step by step. No coding, no extra investment, just a Minimax Agent membership, and AI will do the rest. Oh, and come visit my virtual museum, https://6803s5v63b/minimax.io, and let me know which piece you like the most. Leave me a comment.
One more thing. AI is developing so fast and you can see many applications in lives. Chatting is the basic and also music as the world's broadcasting cultures is same. Like Minimax also has the music tools that you can design and produce your music as you like. Listen, the background, this is created by Minimax Music. For example, I want to create a music for celebrate my AI live art gallery, lyric. How to do it? Very easy. You can finish it with Minimax tools, Minimax Chat and music. Firstly, ask Minimax Chat about your idea to write a song, copy it into Minimax Music. Set up settings as you like. Do you like AI music? Why not try it? Try it via https://www.minimax.io/audio/music. Everyone can have your music with AI.
Remix 网站搭建博物馆，美食艺术交织诗篇 ，Create your story。AI 生成动画，从北京烤鸭到普罗旺斯，美在对话中永恒。AI is changing everything， 生活比将更美好。El futuro es hoy。AI nos guía, AI brille, ponte entre escuchos. This is AI, this is our tomorrow.